Today I am reviewing the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful cleaning solution that can both vacuum and mop, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G8000 Max is a very strong option in the budget robot vacuum category. It brings together strong suction, smart navigation, and dual cleaning functionality, making it a practical choice for everyday home maintenance, especially for households with pets or mixed flooring. Let's start with suction power, which is one of the most important aspects of any robot vacuum. This model delivers up to 5,000 pascals of suction, which is quite powerful for its class. It can easily pick up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris from both hard floors and carpets. On carpets, especially short and medium pile, it performs well by lifting dirt that tends to get embedded deeper. For homes with pets, this level of suction is especially helpful because it can consistently collect shedding hair and keep your floors looking clean. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to vacuum and mop at the same time. It comes with a combination of a dustbin and a water tank, allowing it to perform both tasks in a single cleaning session. This significantly reduces the time and effort needed to clean your home. Instead of running two separate cleaning processes, the G8000 Max handles everything in one go. The mopping function is ideal for maintaining cleanliness on hard floors, helping remove fine dust and light stains. It's not meant for deep scrubbing, but for daily maintenance, it works very effectively. Battery life is another important factor, and this robot vacuum performs well here too. It offers up to 150 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, which is usually enough to clean medium to large-sized homes on a single charge. When the battery runs low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it is always ready for the next cleaning session. This self-charging feature makes it convenient and low maintenance, especially for users who want a set it and forget it type of device. Control options are flexible and user-friendly. The Tikom G8000 Max supports multiple control methods, including a mobile app, remote control, voice commands, and physical buttons. This makes it accessible for users of all ages, including seniors who may prefer simpler controls. Through the app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, select cleaning modes, and monitor the vacuum's activity. Voice control adds extra convenience, allowing you to start or stop cleaning without lifting a finger. Speaking of cleaning modes, this robot vacuum offers 4 different modes: spot cleaning, edge cleaning, zigzag cleaning, and manual control. The zigzag mode is particularly effective as it ensures better coverage and minimizes missed spots by following a systematic cleaning path. This helps improve overall cleaning efficiency compared to random movement patterns. The spot mode is useful for concentrating on specific dirty areas, while edge mode focuses on cleaning along walls and corners where dust tends to accumulate. The design of the G8000 Max is another practical highlight. It features an ultra-slim profile, measuring around 2.99 inches in height, which allows it to easily fit under furniture like beds, sofas, and cabinets. This ensures that even hard-to-reach areas are cleaned regularly without needing manual effort. Its compact design makes it highly effective in maintaining cleanliness in tight spaces. Smart sensors are built into the device to improve navigation and safety. These include anti-collision and anti-fall sensors, which help the vacuum detect obstacles, walls, and stairs. This prevents it from bumping into furniture too aggressively or falling off edges. The robot moves intelligently around your home, adapting to its surroundings and avoiding common hazards. Another important strength is its ability to handle different types of flooring. Whether your home has hardwood, tiles, carpets, or rugs, this robot vacuum can transition smoothly between surfaces. Its large wheels help it climb over small thresholds and uneven surfaces, ensuring consistent cleaning performance across different rooms. This versatility makes it a good choice for homes with mixed flooring layouts. In terms of maintenance, the dustbin is easy to remove and empty, and the water tank is simple to refill. Regular cleaning of the brushes and filters will help maintain optimal performance over time. Since this is a budget-friendly robot vacuum, it does not include advanced features like self-emptying, but its overall maintenance is still manageable and straightforward. It's important to note that while the Tikom G8000 Max performs well for its price range, it is not a high-end premium robot vacuum. It may not have advanced AI mapping or ultra-precise obstacle detection found in more expensive models. However, for everyday cleaning tasks, it delivers solid and reliable performance, especially considering its affordability. Overall, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a highly practical and cost-effective solution for keeping your home clean with minimal effort. With strong suction, dual cleaning capabilities, multiple control options, and a slim design, it offers excellent value for users who want convenience without spending a premium price. If you're looking for an entry-level to mid-range robot vacuum that can handle daily cleaning, pet hair, and light mopping tasks, this is definitely a model worth considering.